Finally, you can now schedule your posts on Instagram. That's right, businesses and creators can plan ahead by scheduling reels, photos, and carousel posts from the Instagram app. Scheduling posts can help you save tons of time and stay organized when you plan out your posts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily schedule your posts on Instagram. Here are 4 things you need to know before you begin scheduling posts. 1. These steps are only if you're trying to schedule posts and reels on the Instagram app. 2. You must have a professional account on Instagram. 3. You can schedule up to 25 posts a day. 4. You can schedule content up to 75 days in advance. Here's how to schedule a post on Instagram. 1. Open the Instagram app, tap the plus sign and tap post or reel. 2. Select a photo or video and add a caption. 3. Tap advanced settings. 4. Tap schedule. 5. Select the date and time up to 75 days away. 6. Tap done. 7. Tap the back button. 8. Tap schedule to schedule the post or reel. Please be aware that features like product tagging, collaborative posts, cross-posting to Facebook, sponsored posts, and fundraisers aren't compatible with scheduled content at this time. There are currently 2 ways to manage your scheduled posts. Here is the first way to manage your scheduled content from the Instagram app profile. 1. Go to your Instagram profile. 2. Tap the equal sign in the top right and then tap scheduled content. 3. Tap the 3 dots next to the post or reel you'd like to edit. 4. Tap reschedule, share now, or delete. Here is the second way and the easiest way to manage your content post. 1. Open the Instagram app, tap the plus sign, and tap post or reel. 2. Tap scheduled to view your scheduled content. 3. Tap on the post or reel you'd like to edit. 4. Tap reschedule, share now, or delete. I hope this tip helps you out in any way. I'm going to leave a direct link to Instagram's Help Center that explains what I just shared in the description section down below. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please post them and let me know what they are. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to smash that like, share, subscribe, and of course, press that bell icon to get notifications of upcoming videos. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting, stay creative.